Dude, why are we on the black and white? I don't know, man. Hey guys, can you explain why we are on the black and white? We are like the movie Mafia. What? I'm not going to lose my time with these things. Silent! Anyway, I'm busy, don't disturb my time, okay? Oh, that was so weird. Do you think what I'm thinking, Mom? Oh no, Jack, I'm thinking we must be get ice cream. Oh! No, Mom! I told you we don't have a loud house. Why not? As you can see, I must much more time for that. Don't waste my time. Where's the loud house? Let me drop you. Whee! Oh no. The Roblox fans. Run. You're going to give me a loud house later. Hide, stay, okay? I'll talk with them. Dude, sometime I kick that son of a bastard butt. There's no. What the hell? You guys bring here. What can I help you? Hello, sir. We see a friend tender lately, in this store. Yeah. We have any question for you? Who the hell are you people? The police? FBI? Oh, I hope there's no FBI. FBI. No, I meet you. But you know what's happened later? What the hell? You mean a burner color red? Yep. He was here to try to buy money. From what? From deep web, dude. From what? From deep web, you know that dangerous site? No, we don't give a damn. You heard that? Uh-oh. If I tell you he's going to kill me. Something to... Oh no. Hey dude. Dude, are you okay? He's dead, man. What we're gonna do? Single thing we must be dudes. Run! Well, I'm not being really shot. I'm trying to escape from him because he's going to kill me in real Ow! Fuck! Oh! What the hell is shit in my butt? No! Oh no! Do you really think it's escaped? You really think it's still there? No, it's not there. Oh, thanks goodness did that. One more time, I swear to God, I will keep that son of a bastard in my butt. Good! We have so much time. So do after nothing. Jack, we must save everyone from rather trying to make money from I don't know what kind of site he's watching. Like the adult sites. You bet I am we doing. Why we are here, Bomb? This is how we get. No, trust me, it's going to be fine day. What the hell, man? What kind of room we are? Hold on the camera, hello, this is Jack the Cool Guy and we are reporting this. Hello? Yeah, can I help you? Dude, right here. Yeah? Ah, well, screw you. Go. Dude! You met my cousin? Yep. And what he said? He said you must read a book. No, dude. Jack. Mom, where are you? Oh shit, Brad. Follow me. Hey, what about my cousin? Tell your cousin it's you mean what? Your cousin. He's watching High Five Puff Yummy Yummy. Sorry, bro. What the hell? You don't waste the time, man. Oh god. Mom, I saw that kid guy. But not in there. So seriously, what? Shut it? No, you extra moron. My cat's in the trap. Drop it in the well. I don't know the place. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself in this well, you big son of a bastard. You know that's retarded about me. Oh my god, I'll kill myself in this well. I made these rules. Run, shit. It's going to kill us. If that mean my cousin Folga, I swear. Oh, that's me. This guy friend Melka's here. I swear to God. It's behind me, right? Oh no, please, no, not in my cousin that like that make love with everyone like me. No, I'm not homo. Help! Oh God, what we gonna do? I'm in here. Andragogan, it's here. Andragogan, where is it? It's around the bar. Andragogan. Where's that juicy boy? Andragogan? Andragogan! Oh God! Jack, call the police! Oh God! Police! Oh God! No, where are the police? What can I help you? Oh my God! It's... If you don't have any attendance, please. Dude, bye. I'm not be gone yet. When we get dead, we get screwed. Looks like he's not going to destroy the door. What? Oh God! No! There you are. Don't kill me! Suka. Oh my head. Please don't tell me I didn't want to kill you. Something like that. Silent! No, it's fine. No. Yeah, we understand. Yeah, dude. Yeah, do you understand? Yeah. Good. You know what money I was making the deep one. I was making no, shit. Why we have already shit. Silent. Yeah, do you want? For some reason. Oh seriously, looks like you two have and so many questions. What the hell are you? I'm a banana guy. From you know that show. Okay, I don't know what kind of show I was looking at. That's it. Let's kill that son of a bastard. God damn it,